Hello guys, Tiago Gomes, the creator of Hellphior games here, and today we are here to make the second devlog of Head Water Polo, and I'm gonna show you what I did this week. It was a very tough week because I tried to do, of course, the game, and it was a little bit difficult, and I'm gonna show you why. So I'm gonna press play to show you how is the game working right now. Um, First, the player that I'm using is the guy on the right. It's the same as the first devlog. So I can move and shoot and jump, of course. And the AI is now can jump too, and he can shoot and he can head. So he can yeah, he can do everything we want for this game. And he's very smart, but there's a little problem, and as you can see, he's always there inside the goal. Why is that happening? So that's happening because when the ball is behind him, and I'm gonna try to show you. So the problem for this week was that, like, I'm trying to do something about it, but it's very difficult. You see, the ball is behind him, and he's like trying to go back and jumping, but he can't. Like if there's something between them, and there's nothing. There's nothing between them. Of course, when it's goal, the player and the AI are not moving anymore, so he can get closer to the ball easier. So I can move the ball here. It's not moving because what I did on the code of the game is when it's goal, both players can't move, can't shoot, can't do anything. So that's why it's not that's not the problem here. But as you can see, if we are playing casually and the ball perhaps hits the crossbar and goes to the line, and the AI is in front, is gonna run away from the ball. So that's a bug that I'm trying to work on, but it's very difficult. I don't know what to do, and so I spent a lot of time trying to change that. I can show you the code of the AI. I'm following most of the time when I'm working on games. I'm always searching on internet and watching some videos, and trying to put all in one game. So I don't know. I don't really know the problem of this because, as I said, we have no collider. The ball has no collider. It has a collider, of course, but it's very close to the ball, and the AI has no collider at all. This is to check when he can jump to shoot with the head. This is to check the ground, and we have the head. Of course, we need to have a collider so the both heads can touch each other. And that's normal. But something that I notice is when the ball is in this line, he can't move more. So I tried to see what is wrong with this route or whatever is this, but we have only the transform. I don't understand why it represents like if it was a collider. I don't see the problem here. It's annoying. It's very annoying. This collider is when he can shoot. Okay, so when the ball is inside, he can shoot. And I don't really see the problem. I can show you to the code of the movement. The code of the movement is this. This is something that I tried to fix the problem, but it was not good. It didn't end well, so But that's it. We have all the scripts here. We have the last thing that I'm working on, and I passed a little bit this problem because it's being annoying. It's being really annoying. So what I worked in these last 2 days was with this goal function, like to have the score working, and when the ball hits a collider that we created for the goals. As you can see here, when the ball hits this, it's gonna say goal, and the players are all static, and we have one on the score, of course. Yeah, it's not right, because if this is the white team and scored, we need to have 1 point on white team and not on blue team. Okay. Okay. This is not good. Let me see. But I change it later, no problem. And that's it. I think that there's no more things to show you. I can show you all this Unity. Like, we have this defense point for the AI. Because when we are using the AI, there's a ranger defense, okay, where he attacks the ball. When the ball is inside, he's gonna attack the ball. If he's outside of the ranger defense, he's not attacking. Of course, we have speed, and we have the defense point and the check ground. He can shoot, blah blah blah. Something normal. And the stadium is not that. So what I think now is, I'm just working on the core game, so I'm not putting the final image, the sprites. So I'm just trying to make the game like really bad. And then I think I'm gonna talk with like a graphic designer, like someone that works with the sprites and that can make the players good. And first I need to talk with the teams, because I want to have real teams here with real players, and I want to know if I can put the emblems of the clubs and the heads of some players. So I think I'm gonna try to reach some of the clubs to know if they like the game and if they wanna be there, and then I'm gonna pay someone to make them. So that's my idea for now. And what we are going to have is a multiplayer mode for sure. I want to create a multiplayer mode for sure, to play with friends, to play against friends, okay? And championships. So maybe we can play with 8 friends and create a championship to all. And yeah, I think I'm gonna try to do that. I don't know yet how to do it, but I'm gonna try it. So more that I can show you. Yeah, when the ball goes there, to don't go behind the goal and be stuck, I created this collider so you can slide down. More. I think that's it. My idea is to create maybe 2 versions. So version to PC and version to mobile. So this button is all to mobile, and for PC, and as you can see, I'm not clicking on these buttons because I'm using A and D to move, but I use these buttons, okay? So I write down something on code to do that, so we can move the player with so we can move the player with the arrows or the AD. And I think that's it. That's it for this week. The next week we are going to have more stuff to show for sure, because I'm not gonna worry about anymore about the AI. That's something that I have to do all again. I think I'm gonna do all again, see if there are any errors or something. So for now, I'm gonna try to make the next thing that I'm gonna do is gonna make the time of the game and try to restart the game when someone scores, and stuff like that. So that's it. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you all for being there, on Patreon, and that's it. Bye bye. See you next Sunday.